Now, to the person of interest in this case, Floyd Galloway, it is very important to remember his arrest and charges today are related to a separate case. For that part of our story, let's get to our Sean Lay. He's live in Livonia this evening for the very latest on that. Sean.
And good evening, Karen. Here's what we can tell you right now about Floyd Galloway. My sources here in Livonia telling me they are transporting him down to the Wayne County Jail as we speak. Today, here in Livonia, he was charged with a brutal, horrific attack of a woman in Hines Park. Farmington Hills police also today officially naming Floyd as the person of interest in the disappearance of Danielle Stislicki. And Floyd Galloway also has interest now in Allen Park. Allen Park taking a hard look at him tonight.
Is it a matter of people versus Floyd Galloway?
30-year-old Floyd Galloway is from Berkeley, but is in a Livonia courtroom facing a list of very serious charges that he tried to kidnap and rape a woman who was jogging last fall in Hines Park. His attorney says Galloway is shocked at the charges.
Surprised. And as I said before, we'll deal with it in court. We had no idea these charges were coming.
Floyd Galloway is a person of interest in the disappearance of Danielle Stislicki. Galloway worked security at Stislicki's job at MetLife in Southfield. Farmington Hills police have been searching for Stislicki, and they searched Galloway's Berkeley home for evidence. Tonight, Farmington Hills police reveal, quote, the combined evidence collected from both investigations led Livonia police to arrest Floyd Galloway Jr. for the attempted sexual assault in Livonia. He is not charged in the Stislicki case.
I can't believe a law enforcement agency, or at least like to believe a law enforcement agency wouldn't bring charges based on an open investigation that has never named him publicly.
There's more. This is a suspect sketch made after the Hines Park attack last fall. Here's a new suspect sketch out of Allen Park. Investigators there telling Local 4 that a woman was brutally attacked June 10th. And now they're working with Livonia to see if Galloway is involved, sending DNA from that attack to the state crime lab. We know that Galloway worked last summer as a volunteer EMT at Berkeley Fire Department. He was applying for full-time EMT jobs at other suburban departments. He is married and doesn't have any children.
And you were saying wife stands by him?
Yes, yes she does, yeah.
All right, Sean. Well, there was quite a discussion in court today over bond, isn't that right?
There was. Police and prosecutors arguing for $1 million bond. They'll have to settle for a $750,000 cash bond. The judge revealed that prosecutors have concerns about what they're calling witness intimidation in this case as it relates to Floyd Galloway. The attorney said he was not familiar with any type of intimidation as it relates to his client. In the meantime, he's on his way to jail. He'll be booked in just a few minutes. It's a $750,000 cash bond. If he is able to make that, Karen, he will be ordered to wear a GPS tether so authorities can keep track of him.
All right, thank you, Sean. And we will have much more on this big break in the case, including my defender's investigation into Floyd Galloway's past. That comes up at 6.